Hello, how are you? My name is Samim and this is my friend CJ Sobs that are about 275 pounds and I decided to install sound activated lights on it to help him out in the Battle of the Bass that's coming up in the Reggaeton event. It's this Friday, it's September 12th at the Powerhouse. Make sure you come down, check this out, and there's going to be 28 Modern Company with some of the freshest cars, BMX rides, EDM party, and much more. Now I'm gonna let you enjoy this subs. They have sound activated lights on it. They got this remote that you can change colors on it all day long. You can make it flash, you can have it on fade mode or sound activated mode, whatever you like. Now let's enjoy this. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this. Right now, my friend CJ is going to talk to you a little bit. Alright, CJ, come on up.
Am I good? Hi, I'm CJ. This is my system. I got two Sundown X15s, and also I have two Rockford Fosgate speakers up front, and then the rear door speakers are stock. I'm running about 3,200 watts to the subs, and then about 250 RMS to the speakers, and that's about my system for you, besides the lights. I hope to see you guys all there on Friday. It's going to be a blast. I'll see you guys there. And shout out to my guy Samim, rock star right here.
Alright, let me turn this white first. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope to see all of you this Friday at the Reggaeton event, which is happening at the Powerhouse. Just let all your friends know, let everyone know to come down, because it's going to be a sick event. It's going to be the biggest event of September. There is going to be about 100,000 people with the car meet, Battle of the Bass, freshest BMX rides, and EDM party. Oh my god, that'd be sick. Tickets are only $7. Hit me up right now because they are going fast. Thursday is the last day for you to get your tickets. Hit me up.